This is Miss Diorama. In this video, I'll show you how I made this handy storage unit for crafters, artists and hobbyists. It incorporates 2 drawers, including one that operates in a very unique way. It can be used for storing odds and ends, hobby and crafting supplies, crafting tools, in fact virtually anything that will fit inside the drawers. Check out the video description for where to get this design and many other templates like it. I designed this unit and cut the parts using a laser cutter from 3mm MDF. I used PVA wood glue to help me assemble the parts, applying the glue to the appropriate notches and edges. If you are interested in knowing how you can get your hands on the template to make this unit, I'll put the information in the video description, so you can check it out after this video is finished. With the 2 fronts to the drawer installed, a cover piece was added over each of them. While the glue was drying, the parts were held firmly in place with pegs. The next step was to assemble the corner mullion piece. The mullion piece is set aside to allow the glue to dry, while a kerfed lining piece for the drawer center is glued into place. More kerfed lining pieces are glued into place around the outer edge of the drawer. Some pieces of MDF are glued into place to help brace the whole assembly. A circular piece of MDF is glued into place to act as a brace for the top of the drawer. Here's a quick look at how the drawer will work. The center mullion will be glued into the outer casing of the unit, forming a fixed pivot, allowing the circular drawer to move around it in a continuous loop. The drawer is set aside while the glue dries. And meanwhile, the second drawer is assembled. That drawer too is set aside while the glue dries, and meanwhile, the drawer unit is assembled. Some guides for the circular drawer are glued into place in the corners of the drawer cavity. This is followed by this piece for the side of the unit. A cover piece is added to the drawer front. This piece will eventually be glued into place for the top of the unit. But first, the parts are painted prior to assembly. Once the paint is dry, the parts can be assembled. once that is done, check that everything works okay before gluing the mullion and the top of the unit in place. Now there is nothing left to do but to place this unit in the corner of the desk and put it to use. That's it everyone, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. And if you did, please give it a like. Also, let me know in the comments what you think of it and if you think you could do with this type of corner storage for your own desktop space. As always, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel. And to all my subscribers, I really appreciate your support. A quick note before I wrap up, I've recently added a members option to the channel. There's a basic supporter tier if you just want to help support me with what I am doing, and a maker workshop tier for those who want early access, behind the scenes updates, and personal use files when available. Becoming a member isn't necessary at all, but it really helps with the design side of the channel by supporting the time that goes into planning and developing the builds that I can bring to this space for you to enjoy. If you enjoyed this build, I've put together a playlist here on screen of similar projects you might like. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye for now.